This is how to make my Greek lamb meatballs on the barbecue. In with your minced lamb, peel some garlic, chop it up and add it to the mixing bowl with some chopped rosemary. Add in some breadcrumbs, mix it all together and roll them into little meatballs. Now it's time for the tomatoes. Get yourself lots of different shapes and sizes and colours. Chop them up, add them to the bowl. Then in with some wedges of lemon. Some red onion wedges in there for a nice crunch. A little bit of olive oil, some seasoning and some black olives. Give it a shake and then onto the barbecue. Shut the lid down if you've got one, trap all the heat in and cook until tender. Should take about 25 minutes. Then grab some tongs, lift the lemon pieces out and squeeze them back into the roasting dish. Finish with some fresh mint to give it a lovely fragrance. And then I like to crumble just a little bit of feta over the top for a delicious finish.